everyone, I'm Jeanine Tanis with the Pampered Chef and my assistant,
Mackenzie.
Today we're going to show you how to make pancake dippers with the Pampered Chef's silicone spoon molds and the pancake blender bottle. Those who aren't familiar with the blender bottle, this bottle comes in handy like forget it, right? Because how much does Daddy make a mess when he's making pancakes?
A lot of mess.
A lot of mess, right? So he gets it all over the counter and everything, right?
Yeah, he puts a lot of sugar on the mess.
It's powder.
Oh. Oh my God.
So anyway, the way it works is you would put all your liquids in first. You would leave the bowl inside, put your liquids in first, and then your dry ingredients. Cover the lid, shake it up, pour to go. So it tells you if you want to make pancakes from scratch, which I don't do. We use Aunt Jemima. But for those who do scratch pancakes, on the bottle are markings, the measurement markings for each ingredient. So here's for milk, flour, salt, baking soda. That's for 6 pancakes, and then here's for 12 pancakes. Okay? Also, to measure out the baking soda, it comes with a spoon. All right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get the water.
Put the water in first.
Careful, okay?
Yay, I did it.
Good job. All right, Mommy's gonna do this one.
Because it's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. Actually, you know what? Let's get.
Then it's going to split.
Well, maybe Mommy should have used a smaller measurings.
That sounds easy. This spilling.
I am spelling now. I'm acting like Daddy.
Because it's too much.
Well, the half cup one is dirty. It's in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
All right, so we poured our liquid and then our dry ingredients. And again, we use Aunt Jemima. And then you would just put the lid on. Everything just snaps right on. And then you hold the top and you just shake. Okay.
That's enough.
Now just keep in mind when you have baking soda in here, there is pressure buildup going to come in through the bottle. So you just want to open up the top spoon and you can hear the air releasing.
That's funny.
That's funny. No, it's not going to explode. It will explode if you don't open the thing.
Yeah. It's going to explode everywhere. We have to get a new house. We have to clean it all.
You need to clean it all and get a new
Yeah,
one.
and our arms can hurt. Really bad.
You're silly.
That's just a dream.
All right, so you can see that it's pretty much all mixed up
Mom, why you can't see the ball?
because the batter inside is covering it.
Oh.
Okay, so now we're going to take our silicone molds.
Can I play this time?
Mommy, you can help Mommy.
Wow.
All right.
It's a little bit. Oh. Don't pick too much. Okay. It looks like cake.
It's pancake.
You always said when we pancake, it looks like.
Okay, don't push that yet.
And then we have to clean the sides because we're like pancake a mess on the sides.
No, that's okay. It can go in the oven.
Okay. And Mommy, I want to have this tomorrow.
Of course, you can have it.
I had it today. That was cool.
Yeah.
That was really easy. Okay, we're done.
Okay, there's a little hole there, so let's just cover that. Okay. So you can shake the silicone to make sure you fill all the pieces. Okay.
Put it in the oven.
And that's what it looks like. Then you just put it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Watch out, babes.
I can't do it. It's too tight.
It's okay.
I'll do it next time when I grow up.
So for 10 minutes, 350 degrees, put it in the oven. After you check it, if you still feel it needs a little more, I would just put it in for another 2 minutes. And that's it. So we'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Hey everyone, we're back and our pancake dippers are done. So they just went in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 and here they are. So what you would do is just get your child a cup of syrup, they just dip and eat. Quick, easy, and fun for the kids. So there are different variations you can do. You can do plain pancakes, you can do chocolate chip, which I added mini morsels in this one. You could do strawberries, you can do blueberries. It's all up to what your child or you like to, eat. So that's really it. I hope you enjoyed our quick little video. And if you like to purchase the pancake blender bottle or the silicone spoon molds, just click on the link below. I hope you guys have a great day and I hope this helps all your mornings go a little bit easier.